Hello guys, welcome back to VK Tutorials educational channel. In the last video, we have discussed about the basics of polynomials which you already learned in your 9th class. Now, in this video, we'll be getting on to our NCERT syllabus class 10. Let's start by seeing our exercise 2.1. So in the exercise 2.1, there are different polynomials graphs given. So we have to find the number of zeros from the given polynomial graph. So here the polynomial graphs y equal to p of x, where p of x is any polynomial. So seeing the graph, what we have to find is we have to find number of zeros. Okay. So from the first polynomial graph, as we can see the graph is a straight line. So straight line indicates what? Linear polynomial. And it's not cutting through x-axis, it's only cutting through y-axis. As you can see that it's only cutting through y-axis but not x-axis. So therefore there are no zeros. Okay, to find the zeros we should see that whether the graph is cutting through x-axis at any point. Is it cutting at any point? No, it was only cutting what? Y-axis, so we don't have any zero here. So now next, second graph. When you see the second graph, the second graph is something like this. Okay, so we know from the graph it is a curve shape, so it is a cubic polynomial, and it is cutting y-axis at one point and x-axis as one point. So all we have to see is we should only concentrate on this point, that the graph is cutting x-axis at how many points? It is cutting x-axis at 1 point. Therefore it has how many zeros? 1 0. Whereas in the first sum it was not cutting at any x-axis, so it has no zero. So next, third question. The third graph. Third graph is also a curve shape. So we say it is a cubic polynomial. And when you see that it is cutting x-axis at 1, 2, 3 points. Therefore, how many zeros are there here? There are 3 zeros. The fourth graph is something like this. As we can see that it is cutting x-axis at 2 points, isn't it? Therefore, how many numbers of zeros are there? There are 2 zeros, and because it is a parabola, so it is a quadratic polynomial. And the fifth question, fifth graph. The fifth graph is okay. Now let us count how many places this curve shape is cutting the x-axis. It's cutting at 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore how many? There are 4 points at which the x-axis is being cut by the graph. Therefore there are 4 zeros. Okay, so because it is a curve shape, it is again a cubic polynomial. Next, sixth one. In the sixth graph, it's something like this. So similarly, in the sixth one, when you see the curve shape, it is cutting at 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it has how many? It has 3 zeros, and it is a cubic polynomial. So in this first exercise, all you have to see is whether the graph is cutting x-axis at any point or not. So when you see the first sum, it wasn't there, and when you see the second, it was cutting at 1 point, so 1 0. It was cutting at 3 points, so in the third question, it has 3 zeros. When it is fourth question, it is cutting at 2 points or touching at 2 points, you can say it has 2 zeros. Then fifth question, it is 1 2 3 4, therefore 4 zeros. So that's how we have to solve this first exercise. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can follow our Facebook page at vktutorials.in, also our Instagram page vktutorials_. Log on to our website www.vktutorialacademy.com.